Okay. So till now we were trying to find out the roots of the equation. For us, the question was given to us and we had to find the final answer. The two values which we get, those were the roots of the equation. Now you have this part of your chapter where the roots of the equation will be given to you. You have to find the quadratic equation, ulta. Before question given, you have to find answer. Now answer is given to you. You have to find the question. So let us assume that I have written on the whiteboard, let the roots of the equation be alpha and beta. The meaning of this cross is alpha and the other one is beta. So let the roots of the equation be alpha and beta. Suppose the roots are alpha and beta, then what we have to do is this alpha beta value is given to us. They will give you alpha as 2, beta as 3, whatever. They'll give you a fraction, they'll give you a positive number, they'll give you a negative number. You have to substitute in this general form. If you have to find the equation from the roots, your general form is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now this is not something new that we are doing. What I told you all, the last, what we have to find, we are having two things which we have to find. One will be two numbers which will multiply. We should get the last term, or when we add or subtract, we should get the middle term. So this is the same thing what I wrote. The last term, if you see, is product, and this is your sum. Okay, that is the only thing. So suppose they'll give you an example. The roots of the equation are 0 and 4. Find the quadratic equation. So here alpha will be equal to 0. The first term is always alpha, and beta is equal to 4. Substitute in your equation. What is the equation? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Let's substitute. Before that, we'll make our sum little easy. We'll find alpha beta and we'll find alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to what? 0 plus 4, that is equal to 4. Correct? Simple. And alpha beta is equal to what? 0 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 0. Please give me a thumbs up if you understood till here. We have not got the answer, but please give me a thumbs up till here if you understood. Till here. Robert, Soham. Okay. Soham, can you explain? Okay. See, again, please pay attention. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. We have done an assumption. Suppose the roots of the equation are alpha and beta, then what will be our equation? Our equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This will be our equation. We needed an assumption to be done because we have to get an actual formula. No? This is our formula which we are getting. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now how you will get the question? You will get two answers. You will get the roots of the equation, what we used to always get in whatever sums we were doing before. We were getting two answers. So now also we'll get two answers. They'll give you the roots of the equation are 0 and 4, for example. Find the quadratic equation. So 0 and 4 means alpha is 0, beta is 4. We find plus alpha plus beta will find. Then we'll find alpha beta. So we'll get two answers. We are not done. Now we'll substitute these two answers in our original formula. What is our formula? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So we will write directly. So therefore x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? 4 into x plus, what is alpha beta? 0 is equal to 0. Now this 0, 0, no use writing. So therefore final answer, x square minus 4x is equal to 0. This is your final answer. Soham and all the others, did you all understand now? Please give me a, please type clear in the chat box if you all understood. Please type clear. Please type clear. Everyone's clear, I want. Abhishai, I have not got your clear. Padmaja, I have not got, okay, Padmaja I got. Okay, great. So you all understood till here. Okay. So any equation. Now we'll take another equation, a little bit complicated one. Suppose your roots are 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. So alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. What will be alpha plus beta? 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2. It is minus, that's why we put it in bracket. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, that is 0. Plus and minus becomes minus, simple. Then alpha beta is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 1 1 is 1, when you put a minus, 2 2 is 4. So we got alpha plus beta, we got alpha beta. Substitute in our equation. What is the equation? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This equal to 0 every time we have to write. Don't forget, because it is quadratic equation. Equal to 0 is a must in every quadratic equation. So therefore, x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? 0 into x plus, what is alpha beta? Minus 1 upon 4. We put it in bracket, is equal to 0. So therefore, x square. Now this minus 0x is gone. Okay, so what remains? Plus and minus. This also plus and minus is gone. This becomes minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. You don't need to cross multiply. You can keep this only as your final answer. This is your equation. Okay, so I hope you all got. Please give me a thumbs up if you all understood. Please give me a thumbs up if you all understood. Okay, great.